Hey, Chris here, welcome back to the channel. So this video, we're going to jump on the laptop here and I'm going to go through 10 apps that give you free money, and companies do that so they can try and attract new customers to their business. So we're just going to take advantage of that and take the free cash for ourselves. With the money that you can make from these, I totaled it up, and as you may have seen on the thumbnail already, yes, I made over £400 from these, and I did not get very fortunate. Like sometimes you can make more money with these, but I basically made the lowest you can make on each offer, and it still ended up being over £400. So with that being said, there is a chance to make lots more, and that reminds me, if you want to comment below on this video how much money you've made from each of these offers and give us a total, I'm sure it would make for very interesting reading for anyone watching this video if you want to check out the comments section to read what others have made. But getting on the laptop then, here we are on the Profit Boss Free Money Guide. And by the way, if any of these offers, you've done them before, I'll put time tags down in the description. So if I mention one and you think you've done it, then you can just skip to the next one. Just go in the description. You can just click the time there so you're not wasting your time watching one that you may have already done. But if we scroll down then, the first one's going to be Freetrade, and probably everyone has done Freetrade's welcome offer. You literally just join up. I mean, the QR code's there actually if you want to scan it. That's my link there. So you just join up, deposit. So from memory here, I believe it's £50 now. So you do have to put £50 in, but you do get that cash straight back to you. It's not like you've lost that money. You get that back, and then you get a free share worth between £10 and £100. Now, on my last one, I actually got £17.84, which I was quite happy with. Then after Freetrade, we've got Stake, and that's another kind of investing platform. So here's their site here. Again, that's what you would see when you go on my link in that guide there, get free stock. And the last free stock that I got from that was actually in Dropbox, which I just sold for the equivalent of just over £20. So again, more free cash there. It's just completely free money for joining up to these apps. Then scrolling further down, we've got Wombat. Now, Wombat is another investing platform, but this is a guaranteed, you know what you're getting with this. So you would just join onto Wombat and you just deposit £10 and then you get £10 in cash. It's really that simple. Oh, and by the way, actually talking about it, you actually get 4.75% interest paid daily on the new savings account. So if you're with someone like the NatWest who pay terrible interest rate on your savings, you can join Wombat there and get a really nice interest rate on any savings. But scrolling further down then, we got the site Cashback. And this one you can make a really nice amount of money from. On average, with this one here, users make around £80. You can see there I've earned just shy of 500, and you know, full transparency here, about £80 of that was made from the tasks here. So you do 15 tasks and then you get paid out, and then the rest of that money is from referrals. So yeah, about £410 then from referring people. But there's absolutely nothing to stop you joining Cashback, making your 80 quid and then referring a few friends and earning more money from it then. Scrolling down from that one, very similar site name here, but not just Cashback, it's called Topcashback. And Topcashback, really good site here. You can even just join it anyway and use it to shop for things and save money. So for example, you could go and shop on at Hugo Boss and they'll actually give you 14% cashback, or you can shop at Argos. Like right now, you can get 20% off of a Samsung vacuum cleaner and get 6% cashback from this website. But yeah, what the main thing you would do with Topcashback is go on to the casino offers, and so you go to entertainment and leisure and then go to gambling, and then you would go to casinos. And what you can do here using the match betting strategy is you can actually do these casino offers, and rather than making, say, you know, £10 from an offer following the OddsMonkey casino guides, what you can do is not only are you going to make a tenner from the usual casino offer that you'll get from the casino, but you'll also get paid back from Topcashback as well. So it's a great way to make like an extra 200 quid on top of your normal casino profits, basically. Scrolling down from that one, we've got Nexo here. This isn't going to be for everyone, but it is a genuinely great site, but it is crypto related. But you do genuinely get, when you deposit £100, then you do get, and you have to buy Bitcoin with that 100 quid. You get your 100 quid back, but you get $25 worth of, or roughly about 15 to 20 pounds worth of Bitcoin, which you can sell and then withdraw there. Yeah, that's the Nexo site there. It is a really, really good site, and actually not financial advice, but if you are looking to get into buying crypto and getting into it, Nexo is a very, very good site. The next one from that is called Copybet. And again, this is one where you would join it, deposit £10, and then using OddsMonkey and their guides there and using the odds matcher there, you would bet on all the outcomes with the £40 of free bets that they give you and take guaranteed risk-free cash from that. So basically just doing match betting on that. If you're watching this video, you don't know what match betting is, I'll leave a link down in the description for a completely free beginner's course that I've put together. It's a few video lessons that really gets you into match betting. But yeah, it's a risk-free way to profit from the bookmakers. Further down from Copybet, then we've got Trading 2on2, another investing site, and you literally just join it, deposit £1, and then you wait to get your free share. My last one was worth about £12, but I have had some that have been worth like £60, so it does happen where you can earn a nice amount from those. Further down then, we've got Invest Engine. This is a really simple one. You just join up, deposit £100, so it is one that requires a bit more of an investment to get the free money out of it. But you deposit 100 quid, and then you have to invest your money, and you do have to leave it there for a whole year, but you get a £20 bonus. I think they've now changed that actually to where you get between £10 and £50, so it's random what you get. So that one's only for people that are maybe a bit more interested in actually investing, with the fact you have to leave the money in there for a whole year. I wouldn't expect someone to just do that for the free money, with it being such a long lockup time. And then finally, this is app number 10, or website number 10, and it's the very latest addition to the free money guide, and it's Webull. So Webull are an American company, and they've now joined the UK market. You can see here in the bottom right hand corner, they've got over 35 million global downloads of their app. They've got millions and millions of users. They're a multi-million, hundreds of millions of pounds company, huge company. And when you join Webull and deposit just £10, then you get 6 free shares currently. I personally made it's about £25 from their welcome offer, and you get those free shares 2 weeks after you've joined up and put your tenner in. So really quick turnaround on being able to make some free money with them. Now, speaking of Webull, because they're a brand new app to the UK, if you want to check out this video here at the side of me, that is the video where I actually show you everything to do with their welcome offer and exactly how to do it on the app. Please tap the like button on this video and that video. I really do appreciate the support. And until next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.